Very good morning to everyone. As I understood, all of you already arrived. Someone is before 7 a.m. That's a good indication. I hope that to become an entrepreneur, you need to maintain this spirit. You see, you need to maintain this spirit and you need to calculate your timing also. If you calculate your money, but please keep in mind, first of all, you need to calculate your time. Because if you cannot control your time, then you may not become a successful entrepreneur. So that's why thank you very much again. So I just have some few points and I know the maximum you already aware about it. So first of all, you know that the AWS, why the AWS, everyone you know that the why you are coming here as Madhu Jaman is already mentioned, because it is a very bad luck that Bangladesh, 180 million people, but our unicorn is almost one or two. But you know that if we go to the India, our neighboring country, even the Singapore is a very small country, but there is a lot of few thousand unicorn is there. So I hope that this will be really startup. We need to see that a lot of the unicorn will be coming from Bangladesh. And definitely there was some problem. So that is why we don't like to go back about the problem. Let's try to see the solution. So AWS already you know that a lot of this help build and grow up, a lot of this component you will get it from the AWS. And I'm sure that next session, a lot of cases, whatever you will learn, you try to put it down. That's why I just mentioned that please try to put your account, because if you are not maintain your accounts, that as I mentioned that your timing, your control of your timing and control of your knowledge using the artificial intelligence, so everything you need to maintain precisely and definitely write AWS service. AWS has a lot of component. AWS lot of this, this what called the services, product, opportunity. So that is why I should, you know that already a lot of this matter already you are aware, so I don't like to go to the details, because if I'm not wrong, everyone is matured enough here. So architecting for the cloud, whatever you will develop, I'm sure that you will follow the real architect, because sometimes you know that you need to find out the best solution or the best practices going on in the market. Based on the available resources, you try to follow the best architect for your cloud system. And deployment and scaling. You know that the scaling material also you need to phase by phase. If you think that, okay, I'll try to go to by lift to the top floor, then maybe you can go to the top floor. But keep in mind, in many cases, lift is problem, you cannot going down and you will be stuck. So that's why your scaling need to be also fixed it in properly and based on the compliance and based on the rules. And data storage and management. And you know the why AWS is coming as a very popular, because they have the A to Z solution. So data storage, because whatever efforts you are doing, as I always love to say that every day you learn a lot of things, but how many you are keeping in your mobile or in notepad or your database? How can you are organized properly, making the child board, nesting and other things in the Google, making the labeling? Because data is one of the important factor. You know the Google is already giving you the free data. How many you are using the 100% data? Yes, you will tell me, yes, I am using the 100% data. But 99% cases I am seeing that videos, JPG, unnecessary file. How much is really in line with your career? How much is in line with your motion, target or focus? So I hope that database and other management you already know, and security and compliance is already one of the key factor, and that is why I'm sure that the AWS and other business opportunity kind, day by day, you know, the security matters is coming is the one of the important factor. So that is why I should say that the cyber security and lot of the, you know, there's a lot of the solution, lot of these companies also, every day is they are already coming in the market to give the better solution in respect of security and compliances. So again, AWS cost optimization, already you all aware about it, the strategies how to optimize, because they have some trusted advisor, I think, which you should follow. Because as I already mentioned that please don't think so you are only knowledgeable. Rather try to find out the best advisor or best mentor which is available in the AWS. And develops, and I'm sure that's this development, as Madhi Jawan is also mentioned, that development and operation, there is a lot of component is available in the resources. So try to download, try to get connected with them. Rather follow on your own style only. For your training and knowledge, of course, you will follow on your own style. And definitely the case study. I think today you are almost, if I am not wrong, very close to 150 people is here. So these 150 people is also a great gathering. And all of these 100 people or 140 people, you are coming here to become an entrepreneur. And you have the intention to become a millionaire or billionaire. So please keep in mind, try to share each other who is doing the best practices. Don't undermine anyone. I'm sure that Madhi Jaman will try his best to find out the best practices. So you try to talk with some of your friends who doing the best performance. I'm sure that among some of you are really doing very good and very professional way. You can also submit your business perspective. So that is why please try to share and try to negotiate. And if you have the visiting card or contact number, please try to share each other so that the best practices you can learn from here. So going back to the home, you can also mention that yes, this AWS Startup Day in 5th October, it was really life-changing for my life. The hands-on experiences, you know that as I already mentioned that all of the participants, you have a lot of the practical exercise as Jaman Bhai is already mentioned. So all of this practical exercise is hand-on exercise, you are trying to do it. Please try to put off your mobile, that is mobile means I like to mention that not Wi-Fi, but try to focus today. Only one day you try to sacrifice to reach on your own goal. This is an opportunity for you. So I hope that this all of the hands-on exercise you will try to follow. And question and answer in networking session. I think when the evening or afternoon, when there will be question and answer session, please write it down now. If you think that, okay, it came to my mind, I will discuss it in the questions. Maybe at that time you forget it. So please try to put it down, all of your question. What you need to ask to all of these panelists or other people so that before conclusion of this program, you can get all of your solution. And lastly, resource and next steps. I hope that today you will find out a lot of the resources as I am already mentioning, the best practices, hands-on exercise, AWS resources. So what you will do it, I think all of the support and how to get started your AWS Activate, that's need to understand. So all of these resources and next steps, maybe some cases you cannot come to a conclusion today. So please try to follow me. Maybe you are getting the light or you understand that, okay, this is the time, I was in the wrong track. But maybe after this workshop, you will get a right direction. So that right direction, you need to start it. But if you are not keeping the resources and whatever knowledge, best practices and other things you are learning, then maybe tomorrow morning you will again start your work, you forget it, whatever you learn in and what investment you do it today. So that's why please resources and all next step, you will just try to put it down and then finally, I hope that you'll give the feedback. Because this session we also try to memorize or try to give you the confidence in such a way that we will not finish today. So please give us the feedback. I think all of our organizer and Madhi Jaman Sahib is also will be in few days in Dhaka. So please give us the written feedback. I'm sorry that I don't like to understand about this thing. Okay, fine. I'm just going to this level. So can you help me? I hope that one-to-one our team will try to help you. So that is why I hope that you will just give us the feedback. Don't forget it. Don't become frustrated. Okay, some few people is got the 10,000, but as per our organizer expectation, at least 30 people will get the 10,000 US dollar. That means 300,000, right? 30 people, 10,000, that is 300,000 US dollar will get the credit facility today. At least it is their expectation. But I hope that it may can more than 100. So that is why please keep in mind all of the feedback and all of these materials, understanding best practices, question and answer, you will keep it in your mind. Thank you very much and hope this program will be start officially. Wish all of you good luck again.